We're going squishy hunting. First, we're going to Walmart. Yesterday, they had the sugar swaps, a lot of them, and then Tava squishes. But I really want to see if they have Smushers today, because it's only 10:32. So we're going to go there and then see what they have. Almost there. Do you like squishies?
No.
Buys them for us. Just got new nails. The French. Wee wee wee. And we got our turtles.
My phone?
Yeah, we're done. Okay, we're in. And we're going straight for this toys. Okay, close. Oh. Those ones are cute. There's literally such a big line in every register. Like, seriously. Okay, we're coming up towards it. Okay, so I kind of knew there wasn't going to be anything in this area because they have a different area. Deluxe fidget box. Wait, there's a squishy, like the mochis, and there's a trading board in it, and that thing, like putty. Oh my gosh. Not really what I'm looking for, but they also have gooey gooeys. Look at all these. Wait, that one's so cute. Okay, but I know where the squishies are. That was K-pop Demon Hunters. Okay, they're right here. Holy squishies. Look at these Tavas. Okay, so the Smushers aren't here, which I'm really upset about. Gosh, look at how cute these are. So, literally. We got the goods. We got 3 Tavas, and then 3 sugar swaps.
Get my phone.
So we did pretty good.
No, look at the line. Maybe we should stay here. Yeah, look
Yeah.
at the line down there.
Yeah, let's stay here.
Yeah, let's just go behind that lady.
Okay, bye.